Hello, this activity is called a Chapter 4 card activity and it's called Where Will They Settle? This is an activity that we do usually after reading a chapter. So this is following Chapter 4 and it is for 5th graders. The objectives, what you're going to learn today is you're going to learn you're going to learn to compare and contrast the physical, geography, and location of the New England, Middle, and Southern colonies. You're going to write a proposal and identify which of 3 regions is best for your colonists to settle based on their individual needs. You will find all of these needs on the cards for this lesson. So, just like usual, there's a card. These cards are number 15 through 19. So each one is different. Each one's based on a different person. So this specific card here is card number 20. This person wants to be a landowner. Their location currently is in Scotland. They are a Protestant. Their current job, they are a landowner and a farmer. Their needs, they want to own a plantation to grow rice and other crops. Their needs is to find inexpensive labor. And then in here it has pictures. And it has a description over here of the pictures for you. So your assignment, you will be broken into 5 separate groups. You'll each be given a card. And then you are going to read the summary on your My Role chapter activity page, which is this. And then you'll also read the back. And the back kind of just goes over a rubric and tells you a little bit more about the activity. It gives you the instructions, 1 through 5, and then at the bottom, it tells you how you're going to be assessed, and it gives you a pretty good rubric of what is expected. So after you read through the card, you're going to fill out the data record sheet with your group, and that looks like this. So you're going to go through, and it tells you the needs of the colonists. So you're going to fill in the needs of what your card is telling you. You're going to put benefits of all 3 regions. There's New England, there's the Middle, and there's the Southern. You're also going to tell the challenges of all 3. Sometimes these are hard, so you need to use your textbook to help you find these, and you'll find those in Chapter 4, Lesson 1, and Chapter 4, Lesson 2. You'll find a lot of challenges and benefits, mainly in the geography area, or when it's dealing with their religion. So that's some main focal points. Your job is to fill out the data record sheet with your group. Create a fictional character based on the information on the card. So think about a fictional character. Is that character going to be real or make-believe? And then you will create a Google Doc to write a proposal. You are trying to convince the person on your card to come to a specific area. So if this person's a Protestant, you're not going to want to send him to a region that has a majority of Catholics or Quakers. And if they're looking for a plantation, you're not going to send them to the New England colonies because plantations were pretty rare there. So it's really important that your proposal is based on where this person wants. With the proposal, you are really trying to sell your area to this person. You want them to move there. You want them to have the benefits that they want. So it's really important that you are convincing in your proposal. Your proposal makes sense and you include everything that needs to be. You need to have what specific colony. You need to have the region, whether it's north, middle, or south. You also need to have a map, the fictional character, and then what they're looking for. And you really need to sell them on it. Here is an example of what the card looks like. On this left picture is where they would settle at the back. This is card number 18, and that's what that looks like. This is the worksheet that's being filled out. Here are some examples of other projects that have been done in the past, just for a little idea. Some helpful hints. Use the information in your textbook. Chapter 4 is so helpful. And like I said before, it's a proposal, so you really have to sell your area to your fictional character. When you're finished, check. Hey, did you fill out that entire worksheet? Did you meet your objectives? Do you have the colony? Do you have the region? Do you have the map? Do you have a title? Do you have the author? That's you. You're the author. Do you have benefits and challenges? Print your proposal and make sure you share it with your teacher, me. If you have any questions, let me know.